Everyone, we went over there. That was scary.
Oh my god.
Dude, but cat kill.
Hey! Take photo of it.
Is that a hole on her head or is that just a spot?
Yeah.
If it jumps, I'm gonna laugh.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's a puffy tail. What if I touch it with the phone? Will it get pissed?
No.
Will it get pissed off?
Don't touch it.
I'm scared. I never touched a cat before. Don't judge me.
I have.
Can you touch it again?
No.
You said you touched one. Now you're scared.
I didn't touch it. Touch it.
Is it gonna be pissed
Don't
off?
touch it from behind. He'll bite you. Ew, who fart?
That cat needs to be neutered, man. Neutered. Neutered. Wait, is it a boy or a girl? I can't tell.
I'm pretty sure it's a guy.
Okay,
Look
then
at
he
the
needs.
back. Look at the back.
I know he needs to be neutered.
He just scared of dogs. Don't get the
You guys want to play truth or dare?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Aww.
You guys will play.
Aw, I promise I won't make you touch the cat. I promise.
You guys.
I just like that cat. It's my favorite cat ever now. Look, truth or dare is like...
Do you want Spanish or English? Más mejor.
O español o inglés.
¿Cuál quieres saber? ¿Más español o más en inglés? Español.
Okay, be right. ¿Quieres empezar tú? Ok, yo te lo digo a ti entonces. Ok, truth or dare.
Truth or dare.
Be right back.